This is a very quick video with no fluff on our track lighting connector. It is just a quick overview and just one video of our extensive video collection. Check out all of our track lighting videos for detailed and in-depth explanations and troubleshooting. We hope it helps to improve or confirm your understanding of the H-style track lighting system. We want you to be well informed before you start your project. Now let's get right to it. This is our track lighting L connector. Obviously it's a L shape, and we do have a very extensive video on this, but today we're just going to do the quick overview. Please do check out all of our videos. They go into some incredible detail for track lighting. So let's go over the top of this. I took the 2 screws out so I can pull the cover off easily. These are the set screws. I want to talk about that for a second. Never use power tools on a set screw. If you run this set screw in too far into the track, you're going to spread the track, and then these contacts aren't going to make contact. So we're going to go into that in a second. So that's just the top of the connector. Let's flip it over and look at the back. The back has a 1/2 inch knockout, so you could bring power into the corner of the connector. If it's on a junction box on the ceiling, it's going to take a special cover to cover the junction box. If it's a suspended track system, you're just going to come down from the ceiling with the power and pop right in here. It's really, really simple. 1/2 inch knockout. Also on the back of this connector are a double ground. And we do a double ground because it makes it simple to do complicated layouts with your track lighting system. So you could come down the L connector, turn left, then turn right, then go into a T, and then go into an X, and you can always have the right polarity. Track has polarity. Track needs a ground, but only one. So one of these 2 grounds on both sides is going to get removed. And to remove the ground, you take a pair of pliers, rock it back and forth, and your ground will break off. So when you have your track and you're kind of looking at it, you're laying it out, and your track is coming this way and your ground is on this side of the track, well, you're going to keep that one because that's where your ground is. And on this side, you're going to take it off. You can't put the track on the connector with the grounds in place. One of them has to be removed. So you need to know that. We get lots of email going, I can't get my track on. And that's because you didn't look at the instructions and you didn't realize that these guys, one of them has to come off. So double grounds makes it great for large lighting layouts and complicated track lighting designs. So here, let's take a look on the inside. I unscrewed the plate, and you'll see there's jumpers in here. And that what's working here is the power's coming through and going the other direction from whichever direction it's going. Now, if you want your ceiling, because you have 2 track systems, to look clean, and you have a track coming this way, and you got a track coming this way, and you don't want them joined electrically, you can remove the jumpers. So now they're isolated. This side has its own power, and this side has its own power. So you could bring 2 hots through here and run 1 circuit that way and 1 circuit this way. This gives you the versatility to decide how your power is going to flow through your track system. Check with your electrician, because I'm sure he's seen this many, many times before, and you do want to think out how your track lighting system is going to be. So the L connector is very simple. The ground is here. We have hot, neutral. We got this double grounds. One of them is going to get removed. I want to note too, there's a little burr here, a little burr sticking up in the middle. You can feel it. It's not smooth, it sticks up. It's right there. Here's a little close-up of it. And what that's for is when you slide your track on, that little burr stops the track from coming back off. Now, if you're in a situation where you need to take the track on and off, take that little burr, take a pair of pliers, and just gently push it flat. Just I want you to know that it's there. That's important. And it's as simple as that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching our video. If you have any questions on our products, please feel free to ask us. Use this email address for quick communication. support@totallightingsupply.com. We answer product questions all day long, Monday through Friday. However, if you ask questions on YouTube, it may be some time before we see it. Our videos are designed as an overview of our products, and we recommend hiring a qualified electrician for your project to ensure a safe installation. And as always, see the description for links to our website. See the product description on our website for important details, as well as updates and specifications. Also, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so you don't miss any new product information. We offer information, such as this video, and a level of service you will not find anywhere else. Consider using us for your project needs. All of us at Total Lighting Supply hope to hear from you soon.